Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send one-time photo on Instagram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open your Instagram chat to whom you want to send one-time photo. After that, click on the camera icon at the left bottom. Now here you have to select any photo from your gallery which you want to send one time. After that, here you have to click on the Allow Reply in the right bottom. Now here again you have to click on Keep in Chat in the right bottom. Now here you can see that the option of View Once has come. It means that now if you send this picture to anyone, he will not be able to see it more than once. Now here you click on the Send button. In this way you can send one-time picture on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.